How would you like to go into a bank to get a loan and feel confident that you are likely to get approved? I will give you 3 tips to help make that happen in this video. CNN recently put out an article on how it has gotten harder for U.S. families to get approved for home loans. This article goes on to say that research shows banks and other lenders have tightened their lending standards to an extraordinary degree in recent months. That means that Americans not only have to search harder for a willing lender, they must also provide documentation to get approved, making it challenging to fund big ticket purchases like cars, homes, and renovations. All right, here's my tips. Tip 1, don't hide anything. Transparency is key. You really want to explain your story. You can explain your strong points, but you really want to explain the weak points. I cannot tell you how many times someone is coming into my office to get a loan and casually omit an important detail or don't tell me something really bad about their situation, hoping I don't find out in the process. Then we get 2 to 3 weeks into their loan after they've spent money on an appraisal, $500, spent money on earnest money and due diligence, that's a couple $1,000s there, only to find out they've quit their job or they're trying to buy 2 properties at one time and they don't want anyone to know. These things are horrible for your loan prospects, so definitely be upfront. Tip number 2, assets. Assets are extremely important. There are some people who tell me, Chris, I don't want to give you all my assets. It's a whole lot of work. I have accounts everywhere. I have savings, money market accounts, 401k accounts. I don't want to give you all that. And you don't need all of that information. What they don't realize is there are many loans that have flipped from not approved to approved eligible simply based on the number of assets that someone gives that we can prove. This is so important and should not be overlooked. A lot of the pre-approval process is system generated by computers. Even before an actual person views your loan, a computer does. Assets are extremely important. Tip number 3, steady and/or increasing income. Guys, this one is major also. Lenders like to look back over a 2-year history to ensure that income is consistent, hopefully consistent and increasing in this delicate financial environment of the United States where there's likely to be a downturn coming. Income is looked at closer and closer. You really want to make sure your loan is looked at favorably, and income is a huge component in this. All right, I've given you 3 amazing tips that can help your loan approval process. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed chatting with you, and I know that this will help you in the future anytime you walk into a bank wanting a loan. Much success to you and have a wonderful day. And if you like this video, check out this next one.